Okay, good morning and good day. My name is Chris Palmer. Welcome to the channel. If you have not already, please subscribe. If you love SEO, local SEO, PPC, pretty much anything pertaining to your business, that's what I love to talk about, and I'm here to help you. So, enough of the self-promotion. In today's video, okay, what I would like to discuss is for your local SEO campaigns, Google has a verified partner, certified partner program, and I wanted to discuss this in case you did not know about it for your local SEO, Google My Business campaigns. Let's get into it. So, this will be a relatively short video. You know, for you guys out there, maybe on a lower budget, or maybe just have a small business, whatever the case may be, it is always recommended, okay, SEO or not an SEO, it's recommended for your listings, for your business, that you absolutely use a lot of images, photos, posts, you know the deal, right, guys? But there is actually a program out there where you can hire a Google certified photographer. You can actually hire them. They can come out. They're certified, they're partners with Google, and they'll take the photos for you, and that is absolutely wonderful. I mean, you have the 360 view, things of that nature for your GMB listings, which is always advised to do. You want to have plenty of pictures, and there's nothing better than either becoming a partner or using the images from a partner. So let me just show you that. You know, there is a small process. It's very simple. There's an app. Here, let me just show you. Google certified photo shoot. Okay. So if you go ahead and look that up, here it is. I've already gone to it. So it's for photographers, business photos, Google Maps. It's right here. It's google.com, help, maps, business photos, photographers. So you would just go there. So you pretty much have two options. You can either hire a photographer, or you could actually become a photographer, maybe earn yourself. But the main goal here is I want to show you for your local SEO campaigns, for your GMB campaigns, that it's advised that you use a certified Google partner for your images, for your photos. Okay, so here's the site. You can contribute through the Street View app. There's also that application that you can use. But this is what I wanted to show you guys, okay? For your local SEO campaigns, really what it boils down to is you should absolutely 100% have certified photos, and this is the way to do it. If you did not know about this, I'm introducing it to you. You want to get a certified, Street View. You'll have your images. It seems to be relatively easy to do. To help share your 360 experience from amazing places, download the Google Maps. But this is what I wanted to get at, okay? So you can also earn, monetary value, money from this. But the main goal here is to get the images for your GMBs, for your listings. You want to make sure that they're trusted. Nothing shows Google, nothing shows your business, nothing stands out better than real images. They're trusted by Google. It's a very big trust signal for you. This is the video. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Get your certified photos through the Google platform. It's best for your local SEO campaigns. And really, that's about it, guys. I wanted to introduce this to you. This is something that I would absolutely recommend, and I hope that you found value in this Google certified photo shoot video. Thank you.